Hello guys, good morning. So today we will see how to deploy function app using VS Code over the Azure. Okay. So first of all we will go to the VS Code. Here you will see Azure Blade. So just click over the blue icon deploy to function app. Create a new function app in Azure. So just select this option. Just give the unique name for your function app. Okay, so this is my function app name. Select the Python version and region. So now our deployment is started. It will take some time, so just wait for a few moments. Guys, if you want a similar kind of videos, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you will get updated in future as well. Yeah, so it's printing successfully created function app and it provide me URL for that. So my deployment has been successful. Now these are my three functions and I have got URL for them as well. So first of all we will go to the Chrome browser and portal.azure.com. Okay. Function app. So this is my function app. Functions. Just go to the code plus test. So this is my code. Now we need to test. So what we will do, there are two options we have. Either just copy the URL and paste name equal to technical tutorial for you. Yeah, so this return output for us, hello technical tutorial for you. This is your first Azure function app written in Python. So this is output. Now the second way is just go to the test run default, select name, and here just type Azure. Okay, just run. So it gives response here as well. Hello Azure, this is your first Azure function app written in Python. Close. Thank you guys. We will meet in next session.